Hi, my glittering gorgeous souls. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I am Prisha. And this is just a little journal with me video. So I was just journaling and I thought of vlogging it. And yes, let me show you what my journaling spread currently looks like. मैंने setup किया है थोड़ा सा. And let me show you that. So these are my two journals, like ये और ये. एंड दिस इज समथिंग जो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली इसमें शुरू किया है, थोड़े बहुत जर्नल पेजेस लाइक करना. एंड दिस इज समथिंग जो आई हैव बीन यूजिंग सिंस द स्टार्ट ऑफ 2026. बेसिकली द डिफरेंस इज दैट दिस इज अ रूल्ड वन एंड दिस इज अ ब्लैंक वन. लाइक इसमें ब्लैंक पेजेस है एंड इसमें रूल्ड पेजेस है. सो वेन एवर आई फील लाइक डूइंग समथिंग क्रिएटिव लाइक कलर डूडल एंड ऑल, तो मैं इसमें करती हूँ. एंड इसमें आई डू लाइक राइटिंग बेस्ड journal prompts. Like I'll give you a tour of my journal also, like I'll show you. And this is my whole setup for today. So I have more supplies as well. Like अभी मैं सब नहीं लाई हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत ही लाई हूँ मैं, जो अभी आज के journal idea के लिए मुझे requirement है. So I've just like brought all of those materials. But और भी है मेरे पास. I am thinking that I'll do a separate video journal supply related, because मेरे पास काफी सारे journal supplies है. And I want to give like a detailed description about everything. So sorry for the angle, but मैंने like ऐसे थोड़ा, I can go behind, wait. Yes. So right now I'm just going to start with my journaling. I have like a vision. I have a vision, and I'm going to share like the prompt जो मैं अभी आज करने वाली हूँ, मैं नीचे लिख दूंगी. वो prompt हम करेंगे. And I just like to decorate my journal page a lot, like make it really cute and Pinteresty. So मैं जैसे decorate करती हूँ, मैं आपको वो भी दिखाऊंगी कि how do I decorate, what all I use for today's journal page. And yes, so हम करते हैं. And before I show you, like before I start journaling, I just want to tell you all that I do a 30-day challenge on Instagram stories, where I post a journal picture every day, like every single day for 30 days. And वो मैं अभी currently अभी मेरा चल रहा है Instagram पे, तो you can check out my Instagram as well if you have not, because वहाँ पे I share बहुत सारे journal pages. So yes, now let's just get started. For today's prompt, actually I don't need a blank journal, तो मैं इसमें नहीं करूँगी, ये मैंने सिर्फ आप लोग को दिखाने के लिए लाया था. But I'm going to use my this journal for today's prompt, because इसमें ruled है, like I told you all. Ruled है ये. So before I start, let me just show you all some of my previous journal pages. So this is one that I did, like favorite song lyrics, and I just love this page. And this is another one of my journal pages. I'm a museum of everything I've ever loved. Very cute. And this is another page that I did. It's like dear future me. And इसमें मैंने एक letter लिखा है, and मतलब अभी तो sealed है, but अंदर एक letter है. And I'm going to open it on like in 2030. So yeah, this is also one of them. Next, again, this is like kind of similar to the favorite song lyrics wala page, but this is like happy beautiful quotes, and these are also like really cute. So yeah, this is another one. ऐसे बहुत सारे, like अभी मैं आपको दिखाने बैठ जाऊंगी तो काफी time लग जाएगा, but this is like 20 things I learned at 20. This is one of my most favorite pages ever. Like it's so aesthetic. I think it's really aesthetic because I've used so many cute stickers. And yeah, like even the concept of this journal page I really like fictional universe I would live in. So yeah, it's like really cute. Then this is another one, recipe for my ideal day, and इसमें मैंने लिखा है like what is my ideal day. So yeah, ऐसे ही काफी सारे हैं. like अभी मैं सब तो आपको दिखाऊंगी तो इसी में पूरा वीडियो चला जाएगा. But just know that I have a lot of journal pages, and मैंने सारे के सारे Instagram पे शेयर किया है, तो आप like Instagram में जाके देख लो. I even have a highlight made journal करके, so उसमें काफी सारे journal prompts already saved है. So yes, just go on Instagram and see the other pages, because all of them are posted over there. And yeah, I love whatever creativity I show मेरे journal में. So yes, like आज let's start. like आज का जो मुझे बनाना है journal, वो अभी start करते हैं. So I'm going to put you all on time lapse. like आप लोग मुझे देखो like journal करते हुए. this is what my journal page looks like today. It's like, little things to smile about, and I've just mentioned a few of the little things. I think it's really cute and, really minimal. Not minimal, but just cute, not too much, really simple. And yes, so let me just yap a little about the journal page that I just made. So yeah, like I mentioned, it's little things to smile about, and I think it's like really colorful and really cute, really childlike, and that's why I use crayons. इसमें भी मैंने crayons use किया है, colorful stickers use किया है, so it just gives off a very kiddish vibe, and I love that. So I get a lot of DMs on Instagram, asking that how do you make it so Pinteresty, and how do you not make any mistake, and how do you make it so perfect, this and that. But let me just tell you, I do not do it perfectly at all. Firstly, if you thrive for perfection when you are journaling, it won't fit very well, because journaling is all about letting go. So you do not need to be perfect. Like, you have to be okay with imperfections. There are certain things that, won't really fit your vision, but you still got to do what you got to do. So, like, for example, in today's page, I did not really want to make these boxes that I made. I did not want to do that, but I did it, right? And after doing it, I was like, oh, ab to kar diya hai, ab kya karu? So I just tried to make it work. Like, I tried to make it a little better. So this is what I do. Like, agar kuch mess up ho jata hai, so I don't redo it, I don't cut it. I just try to fix that. So I think that is something jo dheere dheere, when you journal, you will understand it. And one more hack that I do is कि अगर आप कुछ लिख रहे हो and कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, मतलब for example, if you want to write apple and apple का spelling आपने गड़बड़ कर दिया, and now you want to strike it off. So don't strike it off, just put like a sticker on top of it, or you can just put like a washi tape on top of it and just write something. So this I used to do even in school, like जब projects बनाते थे. मैंने किया होगा पक्का कोई ना कोई journal page में भी. I'm not able to get the example right now, but I do this all the time. Like, अगर कुछ writing में गड़बड़ हो गया, मैं उसके ऊपर सीधा स्टिकर चिपका देती हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज येस्टरडे का जर्नल पेज, एंड इसमें मेरे से गलती हो गया था. लाइक इधर ये जो स्टिकर्स एंड वॉशी टेप है ना, उसके नीचे मैंने एक वर्ड लिख दिया था, एंड दैट वाज लाइक रॉन्ग, लाइक द स्पेलिंग वाज रॉन्ग. सो मैंने उसको स्ट्राइक किया, एंड देन आई जस्ट मतलब मैंने उसके ऊपर ये वॉशी टेप चिपका दिया, एंड देन ये लेटर स्टिकर चिपका दिया. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट it was a mistake, but it turned out to be pretty. So mistakes can be beautiful. That's the whole point. So yeah, you don't have to be perfect. Whatever happens, जो भी गलती आप कर रहे हो, बस उसको थोड़ा सा आप ट्राई करो कि अब इसमें मैं क्या करूँ जो ये गलती ना लगे. I can just make it work, I can make it prettier, and yeah, that's about it. Like, that is the whole point of journaling. You don't need to be perfect, you don't need to follow a reference image. Like, even I get journal prompt ideas from Pinterest, but I do not replicate it at all. Like, मैं थोड़ा अपना touch तो डाल ही देती हूँ, because it's about letting go. It's about flowing your thoughts, and just it's you, right? Like, your journal page has to reflect who you are, because it's yours. So yeah, that was like the whole point. I just wanted to address it because मुझे काफी लोग बोलते हैं Instagram पे. So yes, I think that was it for this video. I hope that you all liked it. I just wanted to make a video on journaling. Just wanted to share these tips जो मैंने अभी बोला आप लोगों को. Just wanted to share a page of my journal, how I make it and everything. So yes, that was it, and let me know if you want more such videos on journaling, and I would love to make more videos on journaling. So just let me know if you like it, and yes, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.